Hello guys, welcome back to my channel the I-TechCreator. Guys, today's in this video I'm going to repair this laptop. You can see guys, this is the HP ProBook. Model is ProBook 4410S. So guys, let's check what is the problem. You can see guys, this laptop is not power on, so I will plug the adapter cable. Now the laptop is power on. That means guys, this laptop is not power on with battery. You can see this is the battery. So guys, how to fix this problem, how to repair this problem, I will show you in this video. So guys, if you unplug this adapter line, the laptop is automatically shut down. You can see guys. So I will fix this problem. So guys, let's watch the full video. So remove the battery. Guys, this is the new battery. You can see guys. You can see guys, it's the same. You can see guys, the laptop is starting. Now the battery is charging. You can see here guys. So guys, now we can set the battery percentage. So guys, let's see 19%. So guys, and now let's remove the remove this adapter cable. You can see guys, you can see 20%. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment and share. If you new in my channel, so subscribe this channel.